Right, thanks for joining me once again. Today we have a wireless charging pad. Another one, apart from this one, is a double. Quite big, as you can see. Does 2 phones, 5 watts. No power supply, as you can see by the size of the box. This is the code if you wish to go and buy one of these from Argos. And some blurb. But let's see what is actually in the box. We have a very small USB cable, which is hardly surprising considering the size of the box. Oops. The charger itself, there's the rest of the box. If you want to pause this to read it, you can. There's some writing in here. Juice Wireless. I might just as well cut this open. See what it says inside, because it's got some more stuff in. Not sure why you would want to print inside the box. It's nothing important. Just says 1, 2, 3. Again, not entirely sure why you would put that inside the box. But this doesn't come with a power supply. So, somewhere I've got, there we go. I've already thought ahead, got wireless fast charge plug that came with my Samsung, which is that power, which is, according to this, more than enough. So here is the paperwork. This is all the paperwork, other than what's on the box. Safety warnings. Now, it does feel very flimsy. Well, I say flimsy, it feels cheap. This is £30, £29.99 at Argos. A little bit there. I think it's sort of a bit overpriced for what it is, because you can you could make your own double. The only difference is this uses one power supply. You could make your own double if you bought 2 cheap and cheerful singles. The idea behind getting this was iPhone, Samsung, both on charge, overnight. And I will add into the description how I get on with this. I'm not going to write it off just yet. I've just seen the if you see it under light, so you can see through it, there's a strip down the middle there, and then 2 round bits there, which aren't very big. The rest is just all plastic, so it doesn't even need to be this big, unsurprisingly. Yeah, I'm not going to write it off just yet, because so long as it doesn't make the phones hot, because that's my main concern with using something wirelessly overnight, because the plan is to just stick the phones on there, let them charge, sit on there overnight. Hopefully they will stop charging when they are at 100%. But we'll have to wait and see. Check the description below, or if I've added it into this video after, I'm not sure. Haven't got that far yet. But hopefully it does work good that way and doesn't heat up the phone, because I'm sure that damages the batteries. 2 LEDs, status LEDs. I believe they just are red when they're not charging. I did read it somewhere. red when not charging and blue when they are. Where did I read it? I've read it somewhere. Must have been on the box. Let's put that there. This says S9, S8 or iPhone X or 8, which will obviously work with the new versions. Hopefully this is going to be a good thing. What would have been even better is if it was a stand. But we can't have everything just yet. Hopefully this is going to be good. As I said before, please check the description and I will give you a bit more information after I've been using it for a while. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe. Oh yeah, bear in mind you need a plug and a longer cable, because that's just... Please hit subscribe and join me next time for something else. Bye for now.